Let's find equation of a parabola in standard form. Question is, find the standard form equation of the parabola that goes through the points A minus 5 minus 25, B is 2 minus 46, and C is minus 7 minus 73. I'd like you to copy the question, pause the video, and complete your solution, and then look into my suggestion, since we have already done a couple of questions like this. Now this one is kind of tough for us since we don't really have x values as 0, 1, minus 1, right? Not those simple values. So what I will do here is show you systematically how to solve this kind of an equation. And it's very important to number each and every equation so that we can refer to it and derive our equation in standard form. So let's start with the general equation, which is indeed y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. The whole idea is to find the values of a, b, and c. Since we need to find three values, we need three equations, and therefore we'll start with all the 3 points one at a time. So let us first consider the point A, which is minus 5 minus 25. So we'll substitute point A here and then see what we can get. So point A is minus 5 minus 25. That really means that x value is minus 5 and y value is minus 25. So we'll substitute minus 25 for y and x as minus 5. Square of minus 5 is plus 25. So we'll write 25a minus 5, so minus 5b plus c. So that becomes our equation, right? So this is the first equation. The second equation we can get with the second point. Now the second point for us is b, which is 2 minus 46. So now let me write down b here, and this time I'll write here 2 and minus 46. That is b, right? So minus 46 is the y value. So let me write minus 46 here equals 2. 2 square is 4, so we get 4a plus 2b plus c. And the third point for us is c. So we'll write c here. I'm using different inks so that they don't get really mixed up. Minus 7 minus 73. Minus 7 and minus 73. So minus 7 is the x value, minus 73 is the y value. So we get minus 73 equals to 7 square minus 7 square is 49. So 49a and minus 7b plus c. With this we get three different equations from the original. So we'll number them. So let's say the original equation is number 1. Then we have these three, which we got by substituting the points. So we have 4 equations in all. Now to solve for these 4 equations, what should we do? Systematically, we'll eliminate a, b, and c. Let's start with c. To eliminate c, what we can do is we can do 2 minus 3, right? So we'll do 2 minus 3. So equation 2 minus equation 3. So these are the instructions on the left which we'll follow and simplify. So when I do minus 25 minus of minus 46, 46 becomes positive, right? So it becomes 46 minus 25, which gives us 21. So we get 21 on the left side, and on the right side we have 25 minus 4, which is 21, 21a, and minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7b, c minus c is 0, that is what we wanted. This can be simplified. Dividing by 7, we get 3 equals to 3a minus b. And that's another equation with just a and b. Let's number this to 5, right? So that is our equation 5 now. This time, we are going to equation 3 and 4. So let's do equation 3 minus equation 4 to get another equation in just a and b. So 3 minus 4, that means minus 46 minus of minus 73. So when I do minus 46 minus minus 73, what do we get? We get 13 minus 6 is 7, so we get 27 plus 27. So we get 27 equals to 4 minus 49. That means minus 45, correct? So we get minus 45a and 2 minus minus 7, which is 9b. So we get plus 9b, and this can be simplified dividing by 9. Let's divide by 9 and get a simplified equation as 3. 9 times 5 is 45 with a minus sign and just number b. Okay, so what do we have here? This is the sixth equation. So we have equation 5 and 6. These can help us to find the value of a, right? So let's add them. If we add them, we can eliminate b. That is what we call systematic elimination of a, b and c, right? So when we add 5 and 6, 5 plus 6, right? With this operation, we get the value of a, and that is, so 5 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 for us, right? So because we're jumping, let me just connect them so that we know what we are trying to do. That is our equation 5 and 6, right? So 3 plus 3 is 6, and when we add 3 and minus 5, we get minus 2a, and b of course is 0, but that gives us the value of a, and a equals to minus 3. So that is the first value which we have got, a equals to minus 3, right? And let me call this as my equation number 7, right? So we have the value of a finally. Now with this, we can continue and find b and c, correct? So we have a equals to minus 3. So what we will do is, since we know a is minus 3, we can use one of our previous equations to find the value of b, right? So we can substitute value of a, which is minus 3, into our equation 5. So we'll use equation 7. So we'll sub 7 in 5. So equation 5 is 3 equals to 3a minus b. So we'll substitute a as minus 3 here. So we get 3 equals to 3 times minus 3 minus b, right? So that gives us the value of b. We can bring b here. Minus 3 times 3 is minus 9, and minus 3 equals to minus 12. So we get the value of b here, correct? So b is minus 12 for us. Let's call this equation 8. Now we have a and b. So what we should do? We should substitute these values to find the value of c. We can use the very first equation with the number a, which is equation 2. So we'll substitute 7 and 8 in equation 2. Equation 2 is minus 25 equals to 25 times a. So 25 times a is minus 3 minus 5 times b, which is minus 12, plus c. So it is minus 25 equals to minus 75, minus minus becomes plus 60, plus c. So which is minus 25 equals to minus 15 plus c, and we can write minus 25 plus 15 equals to c, and that gives us the value as minus of 10. So let me call this equation as equation 9. Now we have values of a, b and c from equations 7, 8 and 9, right? So let me highlight this value also, which is c equals to minus 10. So at this stage we can always write down our equation, which is y equals to a minus 3 minus 3x squared, b is minus 12 minus 12x, and c is minus 10. So we have minus 10. So that is our equation in standard form, which has all the given 3 points. I hope with this you understand and appreciate the method of getting equations in standard form from the given points. Well, to summarize, take the points, substitute them into standard form equation y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. We need to find 3 unknowns a, b and c. For that we have 3 points. Important thing here is when you substitute the values of x and get your equations, number them and keep numbering them so that we can communicate and eliminate one by one the unknowns, and then finally once we get one of them, substitute that to get the others. So by the process of systematic elimination and substitution, we can always find equation of a parabola with given 3 points. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.